Hey everybody, I'm Glenn.
I'm Xander.
And I'm Zach Ray.
And together we are Fun King 3D, and today we're coming to you to bring you October's Maker Box. Now, this Maker Box is special in the fact that it has no shipping label because it was hand delivered to us by Matt Gordon himself from Maker Box at Earth 19. And I was so starstruck being handed my Maker Box in person that I didn't film him handing it to me. Plus, I didn't really know it was coming. Also, while at Earth 19, we got to visit Printed Solid and Maker Box. But I promised before I went in, I punched myself in each eye so that I would not see what was in this box. And I have no idea what's inside this box.
It's
now,
true.
You should also know there's no tape on this. Matt didn't even tape it up before he handed it to me. But again, I promise you, I have no idea what's inside this box. So, yeah, so we'll open it right after this. All right, everybody, it's time to open up that this month's Maker Box. And I don't even have to break out the official 3D Fun King 3D knife.
Not the weirdest thing that happened in this house.
Bored. So, but I don't even have to break out the knife because there's no tape on it. So it's a whole box of candy. There's not even any filament in it.
Oh my God, that sounds great.
Pranked us.
Not
How funny would that be? You just snatch it. You don't even talk about it. So,
it's some Skittles.
we got some Skittles. There's some Skittles in this box. And then you're just going to throw them on the floor? Well, that's not very nice. Now they're dusty Skittles. The read this card is a different color this month. So this card does come in every box, and what it does is it talks about the fact that there is an affiliate program where you can earn free boxes, and there's a link on there, which there is also a link in the description below if you want to get your own Maker Box. We have a vial here. Oh, that's got to be a nozzle cleaning tool.
Yep.
Almost like an acupuncture needle with a spring on the end, and I'm sure that there's going to be some information about that in the box. Can I? Sorry. So, this card says, hello, we're Phyllis Struder. We sell Veracity, ABS, PLA, Pro PLA, PETG spools, and master spool refills, plus other filament and 3D printing accessories. Check us out at phyllisstruder.com. And there is a code on the back of there for 10% off, but I keep that for myself. So, and we have a Phyllis Struder sticker.
Awesome.
Because you gotta have a sticker.
That one's like...
Oh yeah, that one's gonna be hard to read. There was a little bit of a printing issue with it, but we'll try. This is E-Silk Jacinth? Jacinth. I'm not really sure how to pronounce that. So, hot end temperature of 190 to 220 degrees Celsius. Bed temperature of room to 80 degrees. Speed is not listed by the manufacturer. Cooling low or none. E-Silk PLA is similar to PLA. Oh, because it's a silk. I was gonna say no cooling on a PLA, but I suppose being it's a silk. E-Silk PLA is similar to PLA filament with good mechanical properties and good toughness. I believe it says it's environmentally friendly and non-toxic.
That's good.
Compared with their traditional PLA. The silk high gloss material has bright silky luster. Silk highlight PLA printing materials can be widely used in large curved surface models and practical products, such as furniture, accessories, decorations, outdoor decorations, and other fields. And this is made by eSun. don't know if I would use a PLA outside for decoration, at least not here in Florida, but and you can see there's like a line and a half of text missing, so I had to kind
Because
of
it's ASUN.
I had to kind of fumble through that, but I think that we all got the gist of it. So you don't want that one either. Pet Natural. Print settings are hot and temperature of 205 to 245 degrees Celsius. Bed temperature of room to 90. Speed none or low. Cooling of 25 to 80 millimeters a second. Okay, we got that backwards. Speed would not be low or none. Speed would be the 25 to 80 millimeters a second. The cooling would be none or low. This is a U.S. made PETG from 100% recycled filaments. Everything we extrude in top filament is from recycled scrap plastics and exclusively made in the USA. Even the spools and pigments are American. Our PETG prints at a lower temperature than virgin resin, offering more users the chance to enjoy our filaments. Our clarity is unmatched. We offer a precision tolerance and generous flexibility, recycling the world's plastic one filament at a time. And this is Green Gate 3D. I can't wait to try this. I mean, it is a very, very clear, filament. And it is, I mean, 205 is a lower temperature, 205 to 245 for PETG. It feels about the same rigidity as other PETGs. So I look forward to that one. Mm-hmm. Oh, you don't want to read that one either?
No.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, you about dominated last month's box.
Yeah.
All right, this is Veracity Pro PLA in green. Hot and temperature of 190 to 230 degrees Celsius. Bed temperature is room to 60. Speed is not provided by the manufacturer. It says cooling, yes, but it doesn't say what the cooling is, but it is a PLA, so I guess full on. Pro PLA takes the good qualities of PLA and improves the temperature resistance and impact resistance, though through post-print annealing. Our filament is made in the USA from only virgin raw materials. Triple axis diameter measurements are taken on the production line and shared with you, so you know exactly what you're getting. And this is 50 grams, which is 16 meters of 1.75, made by Phil Extruder right here in the USA. You don't want to read that one either?
I'll read the last.
This was an everything. He gave us an everything box. Holy cow. That's why it was so heavy. All right. We typically only get the Explorer box, which is all of the unique and engineering type filaments. This one is an everything box, which will show you why that is in just one moment. So this is Nylon 645 black. Hot in temperature of 250 to 255 degrees. Bed temperature of 45 degrees. Speed up to 75 millimeters a second. Slower is stronger though. Fan no. Print on glue stick, Gecko Tech, or Garolite. Gecko Tech is awesome for nylon, by the way. Mm-hmm. Just so you guys know. Nylon 645 is a material for demanding applications. This is going to be a hard one to read too, because this it looks like the filament was still hot when they put it in here, but it is a tensile strength equivalent to unfilled nylon 6.6 with a slightly lower HDT. Nylon 645 is currently being used by CNC shops around the world to support quick-turn prototypes for pre-pilot and pilot runs, as well as some limited production runs. Nylon 645 has the highest chemical resistance to all Tallman nylons, and when annealed, highly compatible where nylon 6.6 is required. In thin structures, the black may appear dark blue. Tallman selects a different colorant than the standard carbon black to optimize the strength. Wow, that's cool. They've actually picked a different color pigment. I was going to say filament, but pigment to make the filament stronger. So that's that's some cool R&D right there. So, and that's Tallman 3D, made in the USA. You can see that that label is a little bit faded, but you can definitely see that it's tallman3d.com. All right, so what do you got there,
we
Xander?
have the MakerBox Easy PLA. We have fluorescent yellow, fluorescent green, fluorescent pink, and then granite, which looks like marble. But
Well, that's kind of the same thing.
It's a hot end temperature of 190 to 220, bed temperature of none to 60, speed 30 to 90 millimeters per second. It's a high quality PLA in many great colors, made in the USA with 100% virgin materials. Bonus 25% more of each filament. Push plastic.
Of each?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, so
That's a
this
cool
is what makes this the everything box. Now, if you get the Easy box, this is what you're getting every month, because you're getting all of just the PLAs. And so if you're not into the engineering type filaments, or your printer doesn't handle the high temperatures, whatever, the Easy box is a great way to go, because you get some really cool filaments, and you get a variety of colors, and that comes in your box. The Explorer box comes with all the cool stuff like this, the different, high-end engineering type filaments, the unique stuff, the different stuff, and then the Everything box comes with this. So I'm really glad that he threw that at us. We've done the Everything box a couple times. The reason that we don't do the Everything box on a regular basis is because we have so much filament sitting around that we just can't seem to get to all of it. But these colors are absolutely amazing. In a little bit, and I know that camera isn't going to do it any justice, but those fluorescent colors are super fluorescent. You want to open that back up so we can get the filament back in it? Getting a little excited there.
No,
and also down at the bottom of the box there was an eSun product manual for 3D printing materials.
No.
And I don't know how to get it open. There we go. And it's just talking about all their different filaments. It shows a sample of all of the colors and such. So that's good. Oh, in fact, it's got a nice chart on the back that will show you temperatures and stuff of all of their filaments. Now, there was nothing in here to explain this guy, but by looking at it, I am sure that that is a nozzle clearing tool. And these are super. You want to open that back up? I got stuff to put back in there. These are super helpful to have. The Prusa printer ships with one when you buy it. It comes with a acupuncture needle. This one is definitely longer. It's got a longer needle to it. I'll try to find out who supplied this so that we can give them credit for it and that you guys can find them. Otherwise, Repcord, REPCORD.com has a great nozzle cleaning kit, and it's very affordable. So
can I close it now?
You can close it. Eat all the candy.
I still have some nerds that Skittles
Excellent.
on the floor.
Down in the link, or down in the description, there is the link to get your own maker box. If you don't yet get one, why wouldn't you leave that here?
Because I wanted to throw it.
If you don't yet get one, do yourself a favor and at least get 1 month so that you can try it out. I think that you will be hooked. It is so much fun. The mystery is so much fun. The link in the description will get you there. Underneath that is a code to save you a little money on your box, on your first box anyway.
And you know what's also fun?
What's also
Hitting
fun?
that like button and subscribing to the channel. Turning on notifications, that's also a lot of fun, so that you never miss a video or a live stream ever again.
That is fun.
I'm getting good at this.
Hey Zach, can you tell us what it is you have there? What are those?
Puppet you and a puppet Xander.
A puppet me and a puppet Xander? That is crazy.
I don't have that long
Why
hair.
does that puppet have 2 glasses on?
Because you usually wear 2 glasses.
Sometimes I wear 2 glasses. Well, thanks, bud. Thank you guys for tuning in. We'll see you again next week or next month or somewhere in between. And as always, print on.